Hey guys, welcome back to my channel ElectricMoves. Are you tired of lag, stuttering, and frame drops ruining your gameplay? Today, I've got something insane for you. The new GameBurst with Vextrox support, and guess what? No root needed, let's go!
It's like a glitch I can't control. Someone's fucking with my dough. Kinda voodoo shit, you know. You won't find me tongue-tied. No witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous. Losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious. But I go back to default. I go back to default. I go back to someone's fucking with my door. Kinda voodoo shit, you know. But you won't find me tongue-tied. No witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous. Losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious. I go back to default. 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 I go back to
らいすり抜ける。
Double kill. Killing spree. Double kill. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
タコを切るのは俺だ。燃え尽きる。
Ally has been slain. Unstoppable. Ult is ready. Slain an enemy.
お前らにもう用はない。今度は俺が用意だ。
Request backup. Killing spree. Killing spree. Monster kill. You have slain an enemy.
実は死だ。まずは一気。スサノオカグツチ。
Ally has been slain.
カトン。
Enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
もうはっはっはっ燃え尽きる。もうはっはっスサノオカグツチ。まずは一匹。スサノオカグツチ。スサノオカグツチ。 現実は
Welcome to Mobile Legends Attack!
People keep saying Tongits Go's group square mode is full of rewards and fun. But is it really true?
Smash them.
So I played it every day for 7 days and I was honestly surprised. Here's what happened and how you can start earning too. At first, I didn't believe the hype. It sounded too good to be true, but after a full week of testing group square mode, I discovered it's real. The more you play, the more you can win. It's not just fun, it's rewarding too. Getting started is simple. Click the Tongits Go download link in the video description, join a group once you're in the lobby, then switch to group square mode and enjoy games like Tongits, slots, and more. While playing, you collect fragments. These fragments let you open lucky draws, and I've personally won big Go Stars from them, even up to 90,000 Go Stars. It's super exciting. Winning games earns you square assets. These are powerful in-game items that you can use to enter more exclusive games and unlock even more rewards. Even better, 100 square assets equals 100 Go Stars, and in some events, you can even exchange them for mobile load. That's right, real, usable rewards. Easy swap system. To exchange square assets for real rewards, just tap the agent icon in the bottom right corner of the game lobby, contact any agent in the list, request the swap, and you're good to go. It's fast, simple, and totally worth it. After 7 days of playing, I can say it loud, group square mode in Tongits Go is 100% worth trying. Fun gameplay plus real rewards equals the perfect combo. Download Tongits Go now using the link in the description and start your own journey. Let's see how much you can win in just 7 days.
ハンターになったるんじゃ。
Keep up the rhythm.